Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We are in the municipality of Loja in the province of Granada, Andalusia, to show you this spectacular countryside property. As you can see, it has an enormous pool. This pool is 20 metres by 5 metres and is in absolutely perfect condition. The land here is about 3,500 square metres, just over that amount, and there's a mix of gardens and olive. Just on this side of the pool area, you can see there's some really nice places to sit. You can have a little gymnasium. There would be plenty of space here if you wanted to put in an outdoor kitchen. Just down here is the shower for the pool. It's one of the ones that's self-heating. They're absolutely wonderful. And then there's a little bathroom as well, just with a WC for people who are using the pool. Little bit of garden. Most of the garden is nicely planted and it's all very well cared for, and some of the garden areas have olive trees. As you can see, there's lots and lots of space here. So you have plenty of room for all your family and friends to come and party. We're only about 5 minutes to the town of Ventoros, where there's all amenities, 7 bars, plenty of places to go and have a drink. We're 25 minutes to the town of Loja and an hour and a half to Malaga Airport. There's also a fenced area for dogs. So it's perfect if you're going to come with animals. They have their own little space to run around. And here you get another view of the house and the spectacular countryside views. So everything is very low maintenance and absolutely everything has been done. So you literally just take the keys, open the door and start your new life in Spain. I'm going to go down the side of the house now. So this little bit here, there is a door that gives you access to where the bedrooms are, but I'm going to show you that from the inside. And you can obviously walk all the way around the house as well, and I'll do that from the other direction. So these are the main steps that will take you up to the pool. And as you can see, there's a nice bit of garden here, beautifully well looked after. And I'll give you a glimpse of the huge patio. Gorgeous balconies with the safety glass. All of the doors are double glazed. They are excellent quality, extremely high quality doors. And they have mosquito nets inbuilt as well. There's mains water and mains electricity here. There's also a well, so in the winter particularly you can use that to fill your swimming pool, and the well is over by all of those beautiful flowers. It just sits under there. So you can see here's lots and lots of parking, and there is some shaded parking that's been built as well. Here's part of the dog run, and then we have one outside cupboard that has the hot water tank in. And as we come through the gate, you have this spectacular patio. And off here, there's a laundry room, which is this first one. And the next one is a loo. And then there's this amazing bar area. This is just such a wonderful place for entertaining. So you have this super bar. And the glass here is really hard to see because it's so clear. But this is safety glass, of course. And it requires very, very little maintenance, but it enables you to completely appreciate the incredible views that you have here. And also here there's 2 sections of safety glass. You can see this lovely area for dining. This is just such a spectacular house. Very, very comfortable, beautifully designed. So we go in straight to the handmade kitchen. This kitchen was bespoke made for this property. And as you can see, you have lots of cupboards, plenty of prep space. They have fitted microwave, 2 ovens, a fridge freezer, dishwasher, additional fridge, induction hob with internal extractor, and the very, very important wine fridge. We have a wood burning stove. The heating here is by electric radiator and cooling by these very attractive ceiling fans. A spectacular kitchen with island, and as you can see, with seating. And then just behind me here is a gorgeous dining room. Absolutely ideal for either when it's too hot to be outside to eat, or in the winter for cosy dinners and suppers in the house. And as we go through here, just to the left is the sitting room. You have these wonderful windows that just give you this beautiful picture-like view of the exterior. Now, because we live mostly outside, the sitting room is not the largest of the rooms in the house, but it's absolutely perfectly sized, I think, because most of the time you will be outside. And here there's an inbuilt TV and heater. There's an electric heater, it's beautiful. So this house has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. 2 of the bedrooms are ensuite and one of them is an annex style, and I'd like to show you that one first. So as we go out of the sitting room up to the patio, this is your annex room. So it's a very good sized double with fan and electric heater, and it's an ensuite shower room. So you have a really good sized shower, nice basin, and obviously a loo. And then a sliding door here, ignore me. So very, very nicely done. Now back inside. And then we have the stairs up. It's hard to appreciate how beautiful this marble is on the stairs, but when you're here, you really will appreciate the quality of it. Now, this is in the process. It's the very last thing to be finished. There's going to be some safety glass placed there in September. So at the top, we can go left. That's the door that takes you out towards the pool that I spoke about earlier. Here's the family bathroom. As you can see, it's really beautifully done. There's everything that you need. And then another sliding door that leads to one of the bedrooms. This bedroom has its own little balcony. And as we go through, This is the smallest of the rooms. So the room I've just shown you and this room, these would be the ones that share the bathroom. But you can see it's a good sized double with some nice shelving. And it also has a lovely little balcony with views over the garden. And then we come to the main bedroom, which is this spectacular, huge room with wood beam ceiling. Sliding door, and then the little treat behind the sliding door is there's some shelves. Isn't that a great idea? And then a large balcony with those wonderful views. And also we have here an ensuite shower room. It's a nice size shower. Now this tube comes up from the fire downstairs. So in the winter, if you have the fire on and you have your logs burning away nicely, you're going to get heat up here. So it will make this space really nice and warm. And again, it's beautifully done, everything finished. And now I'm going to go back outside and show you around the exterior of the property. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep an eye on our website, www.granadahouses.es. And also like and share this video, that really does help us. And leave your comments and suggestions in the section below. As well as if you'd like a viewing, please request that in the section below or give us a call. We'll call you straight back. So I've come through the door that leads out to the pool area. So here you can see the pool. There's a tractor coming through the olive grove just to the side of us. And as I go left, it takes us down the rear section of the house to some steps. And here you've got a nice little area for plants. That's the balcony for the large main bedroom, the beautiful main bedroom. These just wonderful views. You can hear the insects, the cicadas. That's usually the only noise that you hear. And hello, that beautiful pussycat. Again, another lovely, lovely place to sit. Wherever you are in this house, you can find sun or shade, whichever takes your fancy. So as you can see now, we're at the rear of the patio. And then as we come through, there's a septic tank here, and that's to be found over kind of behind this olive tree. There is a neighbour that looks after the olives for the current owners, and that can continue, or you can do it yourself. And now we're seeing parts of the fenced area where if you have dogs, it's just the most perfect place for them to be. Extra storage, a couple of little sheds, always useful. And here's some of the lovely dogs. Unfortunately, they're not coming with the sale. There's the gorgeous marble. There's Coco. Say hello. And I'll just take you up here so you can have a look at the track and a little bit more of the land. So we hope you're enjoying this video. It is quite a long one, but this is a lot of property to come and see. Here's some of the land, and as you can see, it's olive. There's about, I think, 25 or 30 trees. There's a couple of other fruit trees. That particular one there is pomegranate. And then we have a nice final view of the house with the hillside behind. So this wonderful property is available for viewing by appointment only, and if you would like any more information, please do get in touch. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We look forward to showing you around your new home in Spain.